know viruses aren't really alive, but they can still take over your body like expert hackers? Imagine something so tiny it can't even survive on its own, yet it has the power to reprogram your cells. Today, we're diving into the invisible world to see exactly how viruses hijack your cells. First, a virus needs to find a target. Every virus has special proteins on its surface, almost like a key. These proteins attach to matching locks on the surface of your cells. If the key fits, the virus latches on. Without this step, the virus can't get inside. Once attached, the virus slips inside. Some viruses inject their genetic material directly, while others trick the cell into pulling them in. Think of it like sneaking through a locked door, sometimes by picking the lock, other times by pretending to be a friend. Now the real takeover begins. The virus releases its genetic code, either DNA or RNA, into the cell. Normally, your cell's machinery makes proteins that keep you alive, but the viral code rewires the system. Suddenly, your cell stops working for you and starts producing viral proteins. It's like a factory that used to make food but has been hacked into building weapons for the enemy. As the cell keeps producing viral parts, they start assembling into brand new viruses. Hundreds, sometimes thousands, are built inside one single cell. Eventually, these new viruses escape, either by bursting the cell open, destroying it completely, or by slowly leaking out while keeping the cell alive for more production. One virus can quickly become an army. So, even though viruses aren't alive, they've mastered the art of survival by hijacking living cells. They're nature's ultimate hackers. In our next video, we'll explore how your immune system fights back against these invaders. Make sure you subscribe to the Invisible World so you don't miss what happens next.